Today, the Khewra salt mines are the second largest salt mines in the world. They are located in Pind Dadan Khan, Tehsil of Jihlam district. About 160 km from Islamabad and Lahore, it is accessed through M2 motorway, about 30 km off the Lillah interchange. The mine is famous for its production of pink salt, which is also known as Himalayan salt. It estimates of the total reserves of salt in the mines range from 82 million tons to over 600 million tons. In raw form, it contains negligible amounts of calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc, copper, chromium, and lead as trace elements. Its history dates back to its discovery by Alexander's troops in 320 BC. The salt reserves at Khewra were discovered when the Alexander the Great crossed Jhelum and Mewali region during his Indian campaign. However, mine was discovered not by Alexander nor by his allies but by his army's horses when they were found licking the stones. During Mughal era, salt was traded in various markets as far away as Central Asia. On the downfall of Mughal Empire, mine was taken over by Sikhs. In 1872, British developed the mine further. To address these problems, government leveled the road, built warehouses, provided water supply, improved entrances and tunnels, and introduced a better mechanism for excavation of salt. Mine comprises 19 stories, of which 11 are below ground. From entrance, mine extends about 730 meters into mountains, and total length of its tunnel is about 40 kilometers. It is a major tourist attraction with around 250,000 visitors a year. Badshahi Masjid was built in mining tunnels with multicolored salt bricks about 50 years ago. Other artistic carvings in mine include a replica of Minar-e-Pakistan, a statue of Allama Iqbal, a model of Great Wall of China, and another of Mall Road of Murree. A clinical ward with 20 beds was established in 2007 for the treatment of asthma and other respiratory diseases using salt therapy.